Hello students, today we are going to solve our 6th sample paper. Let's start. Compulsory section, section A, question number 1, having 15 MCQs. First part, a circle of radius 8 centimeter. Then the length of the tangent drew to this circle from a point at a distance of 10 centimeter from the center. There is a point at 10 centimeter from the center. It means this distance is 10 and we have to find the length of tangent from this point to the circle. If this is the tangent, then we have to find this length PT. Look at the figure. If we meet O, center of the circle, to point of contact, then this angle will be 90. Angle between tangent and point of radius at the point of contact. Then triangle OPT is a right angle triangle and we can apply Pythagoras theorem. OT is the radius of the circle, it will be 8 centimeter, means PT is 6 centimeter. Now it's time to express our answer in proper manner, that is question number 1, part 1, and option B is the right option and the right option is 6 centimeter. This is the way you have to write your answer. Second part, coordinates of point -2, 1 under reflection in the origin. When we are taking reflection in the origin, then both coordinates will be reversed by its sign. It means its image will be 2, -1. Second part, A option is the right option and the right answer is 2, -1. Third part, 16 observations are arranged in ascending order. 8th and 9th observation are 25 and 26. Find the median. If n is equal to 16, then median will be, it is even number, it means median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2, means plus 9th term divided by 2. In the question given that 8th term is 25 and 9th term is 27. It means median is 26. GST is a based tax, destination, development, duration, dividend. GST is a destination based tax because last consumer will have to pay GST. Fifth part, cos theta plus sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta. Then find the value of cos theta minus sin theta. Squaring both sides. And we are applying a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. To cos theta sin theta is equal to, means cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We are dividing equation 2 by equation 1. And applying the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Means value of cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root 2 sin theta. नेक्स्ट x minus 1 is a factor of this, then find the other factors. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के टू मेथड्स हैं. फर्स्ट मेथड है कि आप x minus 1 से इसको डिवाइड कीजिए, देन यू विल गेट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, एंड बाय सॉल्विंग दैट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन यू विल गेट टू रूट्स. बट इट इज अ MCQ क्वेश्चन, सो वी कैन अप्लाई एन अल्टरनेट मेथड. ऑप्शंस को आप ट्राई कर लीजिए. इफ x minus 2 इट्स फैक्टर, देन इट विल सेटिस्फाई इट. इफ x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. तो x is equal to 2 आप इसमें पुट करके चेक कर लीजिए. अगर ये इसका रूट होगा तो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. ऑन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग x is equal to, you will get 0. वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन इज 0, रिमाइंडर इज 0. इट मीन्स x minus 2 तो इसका फैक्टर है. अब देखिए, अगर x minus 2 इसका फैक्टर है, इट मीन्स आइदर ऑप्शन ए और ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. ये दोनों तो एक्सक्लूड हो गए हैं. अब x इज इक्वल टू 3 पुट करके चेक कर लीजिए. अगर वो भी 0 आता है, इट मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इफ x इज इक्वल टू 3 इज नॉट द रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, देन दिस ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट. This is not 0. It means x minus 3 is not a root of given function. Then option C is the right option. You can check for x is equal to 4. Next, two coins are tossed once. The probability of getting at least one head. If we are tossing two coins, then possible cases are first coin. On first coin we will get head and tail on second. Second case, tail on first and head on second. Third case, on both the coins we will get head or tail. Now favorable case is getting at least one head. दोनों head हो, it's okay, but at least one head. It means this option is right option. This is favorable case and this is also favorable case. Total number of cases are 4 and number of favorable cases are 3. The probability is 3 by 4. O is the center of the circle and the angle subtended by arc ABC at the center is 120 degree, and we have to find angle ABC. There are two methods to solve this question. First method, meet this arc at any point at circumference. Then if this is 120, then this angle will be 60 degree, because angle subtended at circumference is half angle subtended at center. This angle is subtended by the arc, this major arc. Now A, B, C and D is a cyclic quadrilateral and opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Then if it is 60, then this will be 180 minus 60 means 120 degree. Second method, if this angle is 120 degree, then this reflex angle will be 360 minus 120. 240 degree. And if this is 240 degree, then this angle will be half of 240, then 120 degree. You can apply either of the method. The answer is 120 degree. The equation of a line with slope 2 and passing through 1, 2, apply slope point formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y is equal to 2x. Third proportional to 16 and 36. Suppose it is x, then 36 square will be 16 into x. It means x is equal to 36 square divided by 16. $81. in equation is given and we have to find smallest value of x when x belongs to w, whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. First of all, we are solving in equation. Now, if we consider number line, then x is greater than equal to 2.25. Suppose this is the point 2.25. तो 2.25 से greater जितने भी whole numbers हैं वो हमारे आंसर में included हैं and the smallest value is 3. Quadratic equation whose solution set is this. If minus 2 is the root, then x plus 2 will be a factor. If 3 is the root, then x plus x minus 3 will be a factor, and by multiplying these two factors you will get the quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. B is the right option. Volume of a cone is 220 cubic centimeter. The volume of the cylinder having same radius and same height. Volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is given 220 and we have to find pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to 220 multiplied by 3, 660 centimeter cube. If the radius and the height is same, then the volume of cylinder will be triple of volume of cone. The ratio in which the line y is equal to 3 divides p and q. इसको explain करने के लिए मैं rough figure draw कर रही हूँ just for explaining you. There is no need to draw figure. Suppose this is the line y is equal to 3, then on the line y is equal to 3 at every point y coordinate will be 3. So suppose this is the point of intersection of PQ with y is equal to 3, then y coordinate of P will be 3. And let T divides this line in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then by applying section formula, you will get the value of m1 ratio m2. There is no need to draw figure. You can just apply that at the point of intersection, y coordinate will be 3. M1 ratio M2 is 2:1. B is the right option. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional, both A and B, none of these. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles must be equal and corresponding sides must be proportional. It means this option is the right option. Question number 2, it is a compulsory question, part 1. It is from GST. A shopkeeper marks up the price of his goods by 10% above the list price, and then after a discount of 5%, GST rate is 12% on the goods. We have to find list price of the goods. If the consumer pays rupees 1254 as SGST, also find the final price given by the consumer. Then the shopkeeper marks up 10% above the list price and then he is giving a discount of 5%. It means CP of the article will be, first of all, we are finding mark price, that is X plus 10% of X, जो उसने बढ़ाकर लिखा है. Now he is giving a discount of 5%. It means इसमें से वो 5% less करेगा. Then CP will be this. 209 upon 200 x rupees. This is the CP of the article. Now the consumer will have to pay GST on this article. In the question given, rate of GST is 12% and SGST paid by the customer is 1254. If the rate of GST is 12%, then rate of SGST will be 6%. It means SGST paid by the customer will be 6% of cost price. And according to the question, this is equal to 1254. X is 20,000, means list price of the article is 20,000. Now we have to find final price. Final price will be CP plus GST. CP is 209 divided by 200x and GST is SGST plus CGST, both will be same. ₹23,408. Second part, sum of two natural number is 8 and the difference of their reciprocal is 2 by 15. Find the numbers. First number be x, then second number will be 8 minus x because sum is 8. Then difference of their reciprocal. Reciprocal of first is 1 upon x and second is 1 upon 8 minus x and their difference is 2 by 15. Now solve this. You will get a quadratic equation in x. Solve this quadratic equation. Factors of 60 whose sum is 23, 20 and 3. These are the required factors. If this is 0, then x is equal to 20 and if this is 0, then x is equal to 3. Means first number is 20 or 3. X is equal to 20 is not possible because sum of numbers is 8. It means x is equal to 3, our answer. First number is 3. Second number will be 8 minus 3, 5. Find the average mean number of patients, means we have to find mean. Using shortcut method, assumed mean we have to take 45 and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now we are finding deviation. Question में given है assumed mean is 45. This is A. Now we are finding x minus A. Next FD, this is F frequency. Now find summation F and summation FD. Summation F is 28 and FD is minus 180. Now apply formula for mean. Assume mean plus summation FD divided by summation F. We have to find our answer up to 2 decimal places. And up to 2 decimal places, it will be 38.57. Question number 3, it is also compulsory question. Solid sphere of radius 15 cm is melted and recast into solid circular cones of radius 2.5 and height 8. Calculate the number of cones recast. In this case, volume of a sphere will be equal to, if the number of cones are n, then n multiplied by volume of one cone. Radius of the sphere is 15 and cone is 2.5 and height is 8. Number of cones are 270. Second part, find the sum of last 8 terms of this AP. Term will be 56. After subtracting 2, then 54. If this progression is arithmetic progression from left to right, then this will be also arithmetic progression from right to left, from last to first term. Just first term and common difference will be changed. First term will be last term of given AP and common difference will be reversed by sign. For this new AP, first term A is 58 and common difference will be minus 2, and we have to find sum of 8 terms from last. It means for this AP we have to find sum of 8 terms from beginning. Just apply Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. (408) means this is the required answer. This is a question from reflection. You have to solve this on graph paper. Scale is given. Take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along both x and y axis. First of all, we are plotting these points. A point is 0, 3. This will be a point on y axis. Second 2, 3. C 3, 0. This is a point on x axis. 2, minus 3. Next 0, minus 3. Reflect point B, C and D on y axis. These points will be reflected at the same distance from y axis. Name them B dash, C dash, D dash respectively. Write down the coordinates of B dash, C dash and D dash. Coordinates of B dash, x coordinate will be minus 2 and y coordinate 3. C dash, x coordinate minus 3 and y is 0. D dash, minus 2, minus 3. Apply the formula. Line passing through 2 points, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. First point is x1 y1 and second is x2 y2. That is 0. It means cross multiply अगर आप करेंगे then you will get x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is the equation of B dash D dash. In next part, name the figure this. First of all, we are meeting these points. B to C, then C to D, D to D dash, D dash to C dash to B dash, and then B. It is count number of sides in this polygon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is a polygon having 6 sides. It means it is a hexagon. Now we are attempting section B. You have to attempt any 4 questions from this section out of 7 questions. Regarding selection from this section, I have already discussed some tips in solution of first sample paper. Now in this video, I am sharing with you complete solution of each question in this section. Question number 4, part 1, it is from banking. Time period given had 2 years, but we have to substitute this in months. Monthly installment P is equal to 800 rupees. Now find maturity value, that is maturity value will be equal to NP plus interest. N is 24, P is 800 and interest is 1200. $20,400. Second part, linear inequation हमें given है. It is a combination of 2 inequations and we have to solve this and represent the solution set on real number line. X belongs to R. First linear inequation 13x minus 15x plus 4 and second is 15x plus 4 less than 7x plus 12. You have to find separate solution of these 2 inequations and then we will combine the solution of these inequations to find final solution. X is greater than minus 9 by 2 and less than 1. It means final solution is x is greater than minus 9 by 2 and less than 1. Now we have to represent it on number line. Suppose this is the point minus 4.5. Now this minus 4.5 is not included our answer, so we will represent it by an open circle. And x is less than 1 but 1 is not included. Make an open circle on 1. All real numbers between this range will be included in our answer. This is the presentation of this solution on number line. Third part of this question. PQR is a triangle. S is a point on side QR such that angle PSR is equal to angle QPR. PSR, this angle is equal to QPR. QP is 8 centimeter, PR 6 centimeter and SR 3 centimeter. First, prove that triangle PQR and triangle SPR are similar. PQR means this triangle and SPR to this triangle. In these 2 triangles, look at the figure, R is common angle and this angle is equal to this, and if 2 angles are equal, it means the given triangles are similar triangles. And if these are similar triangle, then their sides will be proportion will be in proportion. We have to find the length of QR and PS. Sides of these triangles will be proportional. It means PQ upon SP is equal to QR upon PR is equal to PR divided by SR. Now put the given values. PQ is 8. SP or PS we have to find. QR is not given. PR is 6 and SR is 3. First we are taking this and this. Then PS is equal to 4 centimeter. Consider these two results. QR is 12 centimeter. Question number 5, first part. X plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of this. Find the values of A and B. If x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of this, it means when we divide this function by x plus 2, remainder will be 0. So we are applying remainder theorem to find remainder. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. And by remainder theorem, f of minus 2 will be 0. x के प्लेस पर पुट कर दीजिए minus 2. You will get first equation in A and B. That is minus 2a plus b is equal to 8. Now x plus 3 is the factor of given function. Minus 3a plus b is equal to 27. Second equation. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. You will get the values of A and B. A is equal to minus 19. Substitute this value of A either in equation 1 or in B. B is equal to minus 30. Second part, A, B, C are collinear, hence find the value of A and the equation of line. If these 3 points are collinear, then slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. And slope of AB and slope of BC will be given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For AB we will take A and B. For BC we will take B and C. Factors of 4 whose difference is 3, 4 and 1. If this is 0, then A is equal to 4, and if this second is 0, then A is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find equation of line. First of all, we are finding equation of line for A is equal to 4. A comma 3, it means 4 comma 3, B is 2 comma 1. Applying 2-point form of equation, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now for a is equal to minus 1, point A will be minus 1, comma 3. Apply the same formula. Two x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Third part, in triangle PQR, PQ 24 centimeter, QR 7 centimeter, angle PQR 90 degree, find the radius of the inscribed circle. We have to find this x. Suppose we draw this radius, then this angle is 90 degree given in the question. This is also 90 degree because QR is tangent and OA is the radius at the point of contact. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree. And if this is x, then this is also x, radius of same circle. And this is x, this is also x because opposite side of rectangle, and now this is a square. And we have to find this x. First of all, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. So we can find PR by applying Pythagoras theorem. Now look at the figure. R is an external point and RQ and RP are two radius on the circle, and suppose this is point C, then RA and RC will be equal because on a circle if two tangents are drawn from an external point, then length of these two tangents are equal. QR is 7 centimeter, QA is x. It means AR is 7 minus x. Then RC is 7 minus x. Similarly, PB and PC will be equal, and PB is equal to 24 minus x because PQ is 24 and this is x. Then PC is also 24 minus x. And now PC plus CR will be equal to 25. It means 24 minus x plus 7 minus x is equal to 25. And with the help of this, we can find x. Question number 6, first part, it is from probability. Cards bearing numbers 2, 4, 6, even numbers up to 20 are kept in a bag. A card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting a card which is a prime numbers. Cards are numbered from 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. Now prime number among these numbers is 2. Only one number is prime number. Total number of cards are 10. It means total number of cases are 10. Number of favorable cases from a prime number is 1. Only 2 is prime. Therefore, probability of this case is 1 by 10. A number divisible by 4. Among these numbers, number divisible by 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Means number of favorable cases in this condition are 5 and total number of cases are 10. Then probability of this case is 5 by 10, means 1 by 2. A number that is a multiple of 6. Among these numbers, multiple of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. Means number of favorable cases are 3. Then probability of this case is 3 by 10. In fourth part, we have to find an odd number. There is no odd number among these numbers. So, probability of getting an odd number is 0. Second part, matrix equation हमें given है and according to this equation we have to find matrix M. I is a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. First of all, state the order of matrix and then find the matrix M. चलिए जो matrix equation हमें given है उसी को study करते हैं. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. A matrix M is multiplied by this matrix and we will get 6i, where I is identity matrix of order 2 by 2. It means this matrix. Now, this matrix is multiplied by M. It means number of columns in this matrix is equal to number of rows in this matrix. And the resultant matrix of order 2 by 2, 2 comes from here and this 2 will come from this. It means order of matrix M is 2 by 2. Now we have to find matrix M. Let the matrix M is A, B, C and D. Now multiply these two matrices. If these two matrices are equal, it means their corresponding elements are equal. 4A plus 2C is equal to 6. 4B plus 2D is equal to 0. Minus A plus C is equal to 0. Minus B plus D is equal to 6. From here, minus A plus C is equal to 0. It means A is equal to C. Value of A is 1. It means value of C is 1. Now solve these two equations. For this, we are multiplying equation 3 by 2 and now subtracting. Value of B is minus 2. Minus B plus D is equal to 6. D is 4. It means matrix M is A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D. Third part, draw a histogram representing the above distribution and estimate mode from the graph. Scale. On x-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to rupees 5, and on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students. This is 0. On x-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to rupees 5. After 2 centimeter, 5. Then again after 2, 10, 15 and so on. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students. This is 5, then 10, 15, 0 to 5, 10. 5 to 10, 14. 2 small parts is equal to 1. 14 means 2 parts below than 15. 10 to 15, 28. 28 means 25, 26, 27, then 28. 42. This is 40 after 2 parts 41 and again after 2 parts 42. Means after 4 parts. Then 50, 30, 14, 12. This is histogram. Now we have to find mode. Point of intersection of these lines will give us mode. On x-axis, 5 is equal to 20 small parts. It means 1 is equal to 4 small parts. 4 small parts will give us 1 increment. Then this is approximately 22. आप इसको कॉपी और पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करेंगे ग्राफ कॉपी के ऊपर तो और भी ज्यादा एक्यूरेसी से आप फाइंड आउट कर पाएंगे. In this question, mod is 22. Question number 7th, first part, it is from ogive. Use the graph paper to draw an ogive for the above distribution. Scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter on one axis and 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students on other axis. First of all, calculate cumulative frequency. On x-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and on y-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students. Suppose this is 12. Then after 2 centimeter, 1 meter. It means after 2 centimeter, you will get 13, 14 and so on. On y-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 5 students. After 2 centimeter, it is 5, 10 and so on. It's on ogive. First 12, 0, then upper limit and cumulative frequency 13, 3, next 14, 12, First point 12 comma 0. This is next 13 comma 3. On y-axis 5 students is equal to 20 small parts 2 centimeter. It means one student will be equal to 4 small parts. We have to show 13 comma 3. Then for 3 we have to calculate 12 small parts. 12 parts 10 and 12. This is 13 comma 3. Next 14 comma 12. 14 this is 10 और 10 के बाद हमें 2 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काउंट करने हैं, वो होंगे 8 स्मॉल पार्ट्स. This point will be 14 comma 12. Next है 15 24. 20 and for 4 students we have to calculate 16 small parts. Next है 16 comma 33. This is 30 and for 3 students 12 small parts. 17 37. This is 35 and for 2 students we have to calculate 8. 18 39. For 1 student आप 4 points पीछे आ जाइए. Next है 19 40. Now meet these points with free hand. जिस पॉइंट को भी आप मिला रहे हैं उससे नेक्स्ट वाले को आप कंसंट्रेट कीजिए. अगर आप यहां से यहां पर जा रहे हैं तो आप इसके साथ साथ इस वाले पॉइंट को भी देखिए. जब आप यहां से यहां मूव करें तो इस पर कंसंट्रेट करें. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट मीडियन. इन दिस क्वेश्चन n is equal to 40. It means median will be n by 2th term. Means 20th term. This is 20. On x-axis, scale is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. It means 20 small parts is equal to 1 meter. And look at the ogive. This is 13 small parts. Then 13 small parts will be equal to 1 upon 20 into 13 meter. Means 0.65 meter. These 13 small parts is equal to 0.65 meter. After 14 these are counted. It means median is 14.65 meter. Second, we have to calculate upper quartile. 3n upon 4th term means 30th term. On x-axis, now 12 small parts, that will be equal to 1 upon 20 into 12 meter. Means 0.6 meter. This is 15.6 meter. Now number of students above 16.5. This is 16.5. Approximately 36. That is 40 minus 36, 4 students. Second part, it is from construction. You have to construct a triangle with sides ABBC and angle ABC 90 degree. Then we have to construct its circle. First we are constructing triangle ABC. For this we are drawing BC as 4 centimeter. Then make 90 degree angle at B with the help of compass. अब कंपस से आप 90 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक 60 डिग्री एंगल ऑन बी, देन 120 डिग्री एंगल, देन बाइसेक्ट दिस एंगल, यू विल गेट 90 डिग्री एंगल. Draw side AB of 3 centimeter. Meet A and C. You will get your triangle. Now we have to construct its circle. For this we have to find its circumcenter, and circumcenter of a triangle is the point where the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of that particular triangle intersect. Means to find circumcenter we have to draw two perpendicular bisectors of this triangle. तो चलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं perpendicular bisectors. Suppose we are drawing perpendicular bisector of BC and AB. For this, draw an arc from B and C. You will get perpendicular bisector of BC. To draw perpendicular bisector of AB, you have to make an arc from A and B. आप A से arc लगाइए, B से arc लगाइए कंपास की हेल्प से. Then you will get the perpendicular bisector of AB. And point of intersection of these two bisectors will give you circumcenter of this triangle. Then just draw a circle with the radius OA, OB और OC. ये circumcenter की radius है और आपको just इससे circle draw करना है. आप एक्यूरेटली circumcenter फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो एकदम एक्यूरेट circle आपको मिलेगा. Write down the steps of construction and measure the radius and write down the radius of this circle. Next question, question number 8. First part, the following numbers are in proportion. Then find K. If these are in proportion, there are 4 numbers given. If these are in proportion, then product of middle will be equal to product of externals. It means K plus 2 multiplied by 3K minus 7 is equal to K plus 3 multiplied by 2K minus 3. With the help of this result, find K. If K minus 5 is equal to 0, then K is equal to 5, and if K plus 1 is equal to 0, then K is equal to minus 1. These are the required values of K. Second part, B is the mean proportion between A and C. It means B square will be equal to AC. With the help of this, we have to prove this result. We are considering left hand side and using this result. And this is equal to right hand side. Third part, it is from height and distance. First of all, draw figure. A man observes the angle of elevation of the top of a tower to be 45 degree. AB is the tower and the angle of elevation from D is 45. He walked towards it in a horizontal line through its base. On covering 20 meter, the angle of elevation changes to 60. At point C, angle of elevation is 60 and this distance is 20 meter. Find the height of the tower. We have to find AB. Suppose it is H and this is Y. and this is X, BC. First of all, draw figure, then explain this figure. In figure, AB is tower, man is standing on D and the angle of elevation of the tower is 45 degree. Then he walks towards tower and at point C, angle of elevation is 60 degree and DC is 20 meter. Now there are two right angle triangles in the figure, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Just apply tangent ratio in these two triangles, you will get your required result. First of all, we are considering triangle ABC. Tan C will be equal to perpendicular upon base, and this is tan 60 degree. AB is H and BC is X. Tan 60 is under root 3. X is equal to H upon under root 3. Now we are considering triangle ABD. Tan 45 will be equal to perpendicular upon base. Base is 20 plus X. Now substitute the value of X. Tan 45 is 1 and X is equal to H upon under root 3. This is 47.32 meter. We have to find our answer in two significant figures. Significant figure means numeric values in our answer should be 2. Therefore, these two numbers, and on rounding of these figures, we will get 47 meter. Question number 9th. In this question, we have to solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. First of all, change this in standard form. A minus B whole square से open कर रहे हैं. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 5. Now use quadratic formula to find X, that is minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. For first root, consider positive sign, and for second root, consider negative sign. These are the roots. Look at the question. Write your answer to two significant figures. Now round off these roots to two significant figures means numeric values in your answer should be 2. Then 3.6 and this will become 1.4. Due to this 7, this will become 4. Now second part, calculate the ratio in which the line joining A and B is divided by the point P x3. Y coordinate is given, and with the help of this y coordinate we can find the ratio. Let P divides this line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Now bisection formula, y coordinate of P will be given by m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Put the given values. This is first point x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and the y coordinate of P is 3. m1 upon m2 is equal to 1 upon 3, m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 is to 3. It means P divides the given line segment in the ratio 1 is to 3. Now we have to find x. X is the x coordinate of P. By section formula, x coordinate of P will be given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Put the given values. Minus 9 by 4, x is equal to. Now we have to find length AP. For this, use distance formula, under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 . This is length AP. Third part, it is from mensuration. Figure is given. Height of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Radius of each figure is 3 centimeter. Give your answer correct to nearest whole number. We have to find volume of the remaining solid when a conical hole and hemispherical hole is scooped out from cylinder. Minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere will be half of 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Put the given values. Pi r square is common. Radius is given, that is 3. Height of the cylinder is in this question there is a typing mistake. Height of the cone is given, that is 3 centimeter. Now we have to give our answer in whole number. It means this will be 113 meter. Question number 10th, last question of this sample paper, part 1. 3 numbers are conjugative terms of AP. Find the value of K. If these are the conjugative term of AP, then common difference will be equal. It means if we subtract first term from second, will be equal to if we subtract second term from third term. K is equal to minus 2. Second part, it is from trigonometrical identity. We are considering left hand side. Cosec A will be equal to 1 upon sin A and sec A will be equal to 1 upon cos A. This is 1 upon cos square A. Third part, it is from circle. O is the center angle, DAE is 70 degree. And we have to find angle BCD. BCD, this angle. Look at the figure. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. If this is 70, then this will also be 70. फाइंड गिविंग सुटेबल रीजन, ये लाइन अगर मेंशन नहीं भी होगी तो भी आपको रीजन मेंशन करना है कि आपने इस एंगल को इसके इक्वल कैसे लिखा है. Second, we have to find angle BOD, this angle. Now, if we consider the arc BD, then angle subtended at the center is angle BOD and angle subtended at the circumference is 70 degree. And angle subtended at the center will be twice of angle subtended at circumference. It means if this is 70, then this will be 140 degree. Third, we have to find angle OBD, this angle. Now, if we consider the triangle OBD, then OB is equal to OD because both are the radius of same circle. It means if this angle is x, this will be also x. And sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. With the help of this, we can find x. X is equal to 20 degree. It means angle OBD is equal to 20 degree. All the very best for your examination. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स के साथ रिगार्डिंग योर एग्जामिनेशन एंड कॉमन मिस्टेक्स डन बाय स्टूडेंट्स. गुड बाय.